This video is 100% AI generated. Everything from the voice, the images, and the words I'm speaking right now were created automatically. How? With the power of automation in video marketing. Imagine effortlessly producing engaging content without sacrificing quality. Automation tools help streamline the process, allowing you to focus on strategic growth rather than tedious tasks, making it easier than ever to captivate your audience. With innovative AI applications like AutoShorts.ai, you can set up a series based on your niche. Simply choose your topic, language, and voice model, and let the software generate compelling videos tailored to your brand. This means you can keep your content fresh and relevant, all while saving time. Once your videos are created, they can be scheduled for posting, ensuring a consistent presence on your chosen platforms. The best part, you can review and edit before they go live, putting you in control at every step. Embrace the future of content creation and discover how automated video marketing can elevate your brand's visibility while you focus on what truly matters, engaging with your audience and growing your other business.